Hey guys, so we're here to learn how to add DocHub as a new software for you. DocHub is actually software that will allow you to use your worksheets and turn them into PDF files so that the kids can type on your worksheets and turn them in on Google Classroom, and it kind of eliminates having to collect papers and paper trails. So the first thing we want to do, step one, is to add DocHub. So in order to add it, you're just going to come up to your bar, type in DocHub, okay? And it's this first one you're going to see here. So you're going to click on DocHub extension. And I always sign in or sign up with Google because it automatically remembers you. It knows who you are. I already have an account, so mine's going to pop up as a sign in, but yours will look a little bit, it's going to look like this when you come in here. So that is how you create a DocHub account. Once you're here in DocHub, you will be able to take your PDF files and put them in the hub, and this is where it will generate worksheets that the kids can type on. So you must use a PDF file. That's going to be anything you scan on the copy machine. You can save any Google Doc as a PDF, but it has to be a PDF. So we're going to click New. Okay, and I'm going to go to my Google Drive because that's where my worksheets are. Allow DocHub permission to access your Google Drive. Okay, and I'm going to scroll down, and I want my kids to answer questions on this article. So I'm going to select it. Okay.